Welcome to the Temperance Tarot Triple Two. We will be doing a love reading today. Okay. And before that, I also want to thank to my new subscribers for growing my channel, helping me grow my channel, because I am actually not sharing my content to my friends or my loved ones. No one knows. I mean, there are few people who have subscribed, but I am not sharing it out there, to everybody. And I want my channel to grow organically, and because whenever your channel grows organically, these are your actual subscribers who view your content, and I would actually like to grow my channel like that. And yes, so thank you so much. I'm really happy that from that one subscriber to 128 whatever I have had, without promoting my channel or doing anything. And it is taking quite a long time, but I feel that I'm here to pass on the messages, and not really try to just earn money or something. But I really want to grow and make something out of this channel where it helps people a lot. Okay, so I just wanted to share that. Yes, sorry, I just shifted the camera. Yes, so let's begin with your love reading, your relationships, and your emotional energy check, whatever is going on right now. Let's see. Please, angel guides, tell me what is going on in my viewers' current relationship. What are the changes since few weeks, and right now what is the current energy? Six of Pentacles. Okay, that's a good card. The Strength. Wow, the Knight of Wands. The Sun card. Okay, so the energy looks good. My god, the Six of Cups. Yes, so I have my five cards here, and every single card is positive here. Okay, you could be feeling very positive, you could be feeling very content with yourself, even if your person is right now not in your life. You are still enjoying every bit of the moment with yourself, with your friends, with doing things you love. You see that your friends and family are kind of being supportive towards you, seeing your finally seeing your good side. If you have been misunderstood for a very long time, they are finally supporting you, understanding your perspective, and you are feeling so happy, so strong, because finally you are seeing yourself now. Okay, first it was you wanted others to validate you and see what a good person you are. Now finally you are seeing that, and that is kind of attracting people to see what you see in yourself. Okay, and not from that victim mentality kind of side, but actually being very positive and strong about your opinion about yourself. Okay, and I see some of you are attracting your soulmate. It is a very strong possibility in this coming few weeks and coming months. You are going to attract your person. Okay, you are going to come across the person who you are meant to be with, and it is actually opening the gates finally to your relationship. If you have been stuck for a very long time, you are finally going to see a positive movement in your life. Okay, now this could be a past person also in some cases. See how it fits your situation. But I feel that finally the wheel is turning in your favor because of all the work you have put in yourself, the strength that you have kept, and it has taken the strength has actually brought you all the positive changes. Okay, so let me see who is this person going to be. Okay, universe, please tell me how will my viewers get to know who this person is going to be. Okay, how are they going to recognize this person? Okay, This will be somebody who will financially offer you something. Okay, now this is how you're going to recognize whether it is a gift or a solution to getting ahead in your career. They are actually going to help you, not just with advice, they are going to put the physical work. This is something tangible, okay, something that you can touch, feel, sense. Okay, this is going to be something tangible, and it could be money, it could be something that you can touch. Okay, so not just advice and talk. See, oh my god, the page of pentacles, another pentacle. It obviously tells, again, it's something tangible. It is money, gift, or something, something that you like. Okay, now this is how you're going to recognize this person. Oh my god, look at the cards. You can literally see I am just pulling out the cards. Okay, and okay, it's a Knight of Cups. You can expect a romantic gesture from this person. Okay, something like a surprise. Okay, because I have this unicorn behind in the card, and it is something that you're not going to expect. It is something that is very uh, something that you, all I can say, you did not even probably predict, or you did not even think that this person will do something like that for you. And this is your sign. Okay, that is going to be your sign that this is the person for you. Amazing, amazing. Till now it's amazing. Let's see what are the other cards telling me. Okay, this person will actually help you build your business, help you build your career, is going to make your life so easy. Okay, now you need people, and especially my women. Okay, please don't fall for looks, don't fall for anything else. A masculine in your life is supposed to be to make your life easy. Okay, it's not always you giving. You are supposed to give your caring and nurturing side, and that will only come out if the man is doing something for you, making you feel comfortable. How will your nurturing side come out? Okay, and if you're over giving and overdoing before the masculine is doing something for you, please, you have father wound. Okay, big time father wound. Work on that side of yours. But once this person starts doing things for you, you are automatically going to fall in love with this person. Okay, now this person can be somebody lean, somebody tall, or somebody fair. Now any of this characteristics could be in that person. Okay, I sense black hair, really sharp features. The eyes will be very intense. Okay, this person might love to stare at you. Okay, and yeah, this person will be very somebody who likes, their love language could be gift giving, not somebody who is stingy. Please, this person will actually love to shower you with gifts and do little things that will make you happy. Now I'm not saying be a gold digger, but I really know that a man in love will always love to do something for their women, because a man who I have experienced, a man who does not do these things is really not invested in the relationship, because even if you break up with that person, they will move on. Okay, you will really not mean anything to this person. They will keep you till you will be there. They will not put any efforts. Okay, even if you want to walk away. So these are the signs you need to understand. Okay, now let me see more. Enough of my gyan. Okay, see, this person entering your life is going to bring so much of progress in your life, so much of support in your life that you must have never experienced. You will actually feel like living life. You will actually feel like doing things in your career where you must be feeling very lazy, because this person might push you to do better in your life. Okay, so this is actually amazing, seriously, because the past readings that I have done has been so much of advices, and the cards came out like, you need to be strong, you need to be working on yourself, you need to do this and that. Finally I see some change in the energy, and even if it is your past person, okay, this person will come in a very changed energy from a lack of lack mentality. This finally this person is going to change, come in a very giving energy. All I can say, okay? Amazing. Okay. So let's see more. Finally, you're getting your justice. Look at the cards. Look at the cards. Amazing. Finally, you are going to get your justice. Let the past person go. Please let them go. They are not your life partner, they are not your husband. Even if you are married, that was not your life partner, that was your karma, that was your lesson. You had to learn something very important from that relationship. Let that person go, please. You don't know what is coming for you. Okay, when I spoke about divorce as well, yes, you have gone through divorce, or your engagement could have broken off, or whatever. You must have broken off from a long term relationship. Let that go. Let that relationship go. Be happy that you are finally attracting your life partner, not a karmic lesson or not a karmic partner, your life partner. Wow. The King of Wands. This person will be passionate. Okay. Really passionate in all the ways, physically, mentally, financially, everything that you can expect. This is your person. This person is going to fulfill you in every way that you always craved for. Okay. Now, King of Wand can be somebody who is very passionate, could lack emotions, but we have a Knight of Cups here. We have a Page of Pentacles here. We have a Ace of Pentacles here. We have Justice card here. Okay, so everything. Okay, now one card can't say everything, but we have having so many cards here tells me this person will have all the qualities. Now there could be something that will obviously not everything you don't get, like everything is not perfect, but you will be able to balance whatever this person lacks. You will able to fulfill that thing. You guys combining is going to be such a balanced relationship, proper power couple. Okay, and don't be hooked on to looks. That is the biggest lesson I have learned in my life. Looks is not everything. The person's manners, the way they are matters a lot, and this is what you are finally going to understand and select your partner. Oh god, we have everything now. We have a Knight of Swords here as well. So this person could be somebody who will see. Now your past person, right, they could have been very logical, and they could have been somebody who is takes their time to do things, and they will think that okay, if this benefits me, this does not benefits me, if I should do, very logical. But this person is not going to be that way. They will carry their heart on their sleeves. Their main priority is going to be making you happy. That is their priority. Okay, and they will not think if this will be a loss, or it's not going to work in my favor, if the thing that I do will go in vain. No, this person is actually going to be willingly want to do things for you. And please excuse my grammar right now, because I am just spitting out everything that is coming in my head. Whatever is I am downloading, I'm channeling, is what I need to just give out before I forget. Oh my god, the 10 of Cups. This is the best reading. This is the best reading I have ever done. This is going to be your end game. Trust me. I see children, I see happy couple, I see so much of emotions. Oh god, I don't know. Oh my god, do you see the cards, the world? This is going to be your world. Okay, I am going to end this reading here. I'm not making it long. You comment on this reading, subscribe to my channel, and claim this reading. Claim this reading. I want to see I am channeling a lot of 11 11 222 and 444 right now. For me, I want you to comment what are the repetitive numbers that you are seeing. Okay, I want to see what are the numbers that you are probably coming across. Please put your lovely comments and claim the reading. Bye. Thank you.